In this video, I'll be showing you how to take down the Flaming Domain on Expert difficulty. This is the team I'm going to use, 253k EP. If you don't have this particular 5-star Water Rimuru, just slot in Gabiru. Alright, let's get into it. I will do a gear showcase after the fight. Our goal here on turn 1 is going to be to get 45 skill points down here so we can use the 5-star Water Rimuru skill. Here we are going to swap in Soe for the 4-star version. And if you look down here, we're going to be at 46, which is perfect. You'll see here turn 1, Ifrit buffs his attack, his crit, and also gives himself his full ult gauge. So here we're going to use this skill to decrease his skill gauge by 7%. Secret skill gauge, and there I took off his ulti just like that. We are now going to... We got pretty lucky with our souls. Alright, this turn, since we got lucky with our souls, we are going to use Soe's defense buff. And swap out Yuki really quick. Use Soe's defense buff to take this hit. And we're just going to go ahead and get rid of all these orange souls. Alright. I see that we do have one orange coming up, and for this particular turn I'm going to use all of my blue souls with the idea that I'm going to change those 2 oranges to green. Alright, perfect. We are going to swap Yuki for this Rimuru, and oh, unfortunate, didn't get enough skill points. Okay then. Can I use Milim? Here we are going to use our Rimuru's souls. I would have preferred to swap those oranges to green, but can't always get what you want. This particular turn, we're going to swap Water Rimuru for 4-star for 5-star, and we're going to heal. As well as use these green souls for now. Or actually, we're going to use Soe's skills. I believe this orange is going to be debuffed next turn. Unfortunate we got countered. Okay, here we're going to swap in Milim for 4-star Water Rimuru. And we are going to get Yuki ult, so next turn we will have enough skill points to use Milim's buff and 3 ult. Use 3 ults at the same time. Alright, perfect. Here we go. Milim's buff. And then swap in this Rimuru for her. Boom, boom. Yuki attack. And this should be a kill. Please also note that my Milim's buff is level 9. It's very strong. I've never actually seen his ult, but it looks pretty sweet. And there you have it. Taking down Ifrit on turn 8, all units alive. Gonna show you my gear now. This is the team. As you can see, my Yugi has 3-star gear with the water claw. My Ranga is supporting him. My 4-star Rimuru has the water book with the free-to-play Benimaru supporting. Water Rimuru has the book and the armor with Milim supporting. Soe has all 4-star gear with Benimaru supporting. And Windmillum has 4-star claw and 3-star armor with the free-to-play Shuna supporting her. Once again, my team EP was 253k EP. And if you don't have the 5-star Water Rimuru, you can just go ahead and slot in the 4-star Gabiru. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe for more videos in the future.